Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Much love and appreciation as usual. So people, them say a Jamaica national, illegal immigrant sentenced for identity theft of a US citizen. People, may I tell you, have to be careful when I do, So it's the people, this is in Jacksonville, Florida. A Jamaican national has been sentenced for identity theft, Florida driver's license while claiming to be a U.S. citizen following a Homeland Security investigation in Jacksonville, Florida. It says Alandre David Brown, 30, was sentenced to 7 months in federal prison. Brown entered a guilty plea in August 2024, people. You see, according to court documents in September 2017, Brown obtained a Florida driver's license in the name of another person. People can't do that, especially when you live in our country, like the United States of America, and especially what's going on right now. So it goes on to say, when he applied for the license, Brown represented that he was a United States citizen and that he was born in the U.S. Virgin Islands. In support of the application, he provided a purported U.S. Virgin Islands birth certificate and a valid social security number. In April of 2024, Brown was arrested by the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office, where he used his fraudulently obtained driver's license and identified himself as another person. Suspecting that Brown was not who he said he was, immigration authorities interviewed him about his identity and citizenship, but he insisted that he was in fact the person whose name he had obtained the license. Jaja people. Federal agents obtain passport records and U.S. Virgin Islands driver's license records for the person whose identity Brown had adopted, and the photographs in records were not of Brown. Virgin Islands authorities confirmed that the birth certificate Brown used to obtain the license was forgery. So I say people them not realize, that with the United States of America, each person has a job to do in a police department or a police force, whatever you want to put it. Each person has a job. Every morning them wake up and go clock in. Yeah, that's for them job to investigate you and see where you're upon. No matter how, it might not take 1 year, it might not take 2 years, 3, 4 years, 10 years down the line, boom, I saw them hold you. See it happen whole heap of time, people. So he said, after conducting this investigation, agents interviewed Brown and confronted him with the evidence they had collected, but he insisted that he really was the person whose identity he had stolen. After being charged, Brown admitted that his name was Alandre David Brown, that he was from Jamaica, and that he was illegally present in the United States. Agents confirmed his identity with the Jamaican government. So man, say people, them went all the way, reach out to Virgin Islands, make sure everything connect all the dots and make sure it's a boom. Alright, what I must say, and that's how you go. Them contact Jamaican government, the authorities in Jamaica. Like people me tell you, them go above and beyond when them want catch a person or them want get rid of a person out of a country. Them go high and them go low to find you and make sure you say who you is, you're actually that said person. Jaja, I tell people, rough out there. This case was investigated by HSI Jacksonville and U.S. Immigrations and Custom Enforcement and Removal Operation. It was prosecuted by Assistant U.S. Attorney Arnold B. Crossmeyer. Tell the people. And you have to know what you're doing in America. You have to know what you're doing up here. Because no matter where you are, somehow, them are going to catch up on you. As I say, it might not be the first year, the second year, 20 year. But them are going to find you. People just be careful where you are, you see me? Especially in these times when Trump and him immigration policies, like, everybody I get dip. You breathe too hard, you get dip. You run too fast, yeah. Are you illegal? Yeah, you get dip. Everybody I get dip, people. It's like, it's a sauce. So people, just leave it in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And just know, say, you're on abroad TV debate. I'm going to try and post, the more videos consistently for 2025 people. So drop a comment and let me know what you think. You see me? Bless up in yourself, people. Much love and appreciation.